Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so mean X bar population, is this what it's talking about? It says point estimator. The statistics above are called point estimators because they are just one number that is used to estimate a parameter. A parameter is generally unknown value. This means, think about this. If mu is unknown, how do we know if X bar is close to it? Is that what it's asking for?
So what it's saying is, so the statistics on the left column, those are all the point estimators based off of the parameter on the right. And so what Ronaldo had said is accurate. Is X bar is a point estimator of the mean of that second one.
Yes.
So.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Because I wasn't sure on that one, so thank you guys. Appreciate that.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I just happen to have it up.
I can try doing the next one. Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for GMAT scores. She knows the standard deviation equals 113. She collects a simple random sample of size n equals 64 and computes X bar equals 526. I use information for the next 6 questions. What is the point estimate for the true GMAT score? So,
I think it's bar, no?
oh, sorry, what?
X bar, no, is a point estimate, no?
Yeah, so on number 4, it's X bar is a point estimator of the mean, or that you, yeah. And then on number 5.
The number 5, this is a weird formula that I was trying to figure out so I could have it on hand, but I'm not sure. Oh, well,
yeah, I don't really know how to do this, to be honest.
So the point estimate would be the X bar. Yeah, so like what
Ronaldo's
saying.
saying.
Yeah,
So it's just
526. Yeah.
526, no?
Yep.
Oh, so it is just 526.
Because it's just that single number, because it's the point estimate, not the...
I thought it was asking for the margin.
The big formula?
Well, yes. No.
Same. I was like, oh.
Always overthink these. Gosh. Okay, so here it's asking for the margin of error. Okay, so this is where we need the big formula.
Yes, question number 6.
So that was 526. And oh. 95 is 1.960. So is it 553.69? I may have parentheses in the wrong place, though.
So what I got was 27.685.
Okay, let me share my screen, and you can look at my formula and tell me where I need to adjust it.
I got the same answer, 27.685.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is the formula that I have, 526. Oh, maybe I'm minusing. Maybe I need to minus.
Well, so you don't have to have the 526 in there right now.
Oh, you don't?
Yes, yes.
So that's for when you're trying to find...
Only the question 7.
Yeah. So for just the margin of error, you want the 526 out, so that way you know what does... Like, so whether that becomes the plus or minus.
Yes.
So then take this out. And correct it. So it's 27.685, and this is the margin of error.
Yep.
To plus or minus.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
think I'm getting this, kind of. Okay. What is the lower limit of the confidence interval? Okay, that's where we need this one, and we do a minus, right?
Yeah.
So would it be the 498.32? $498,315.
Yeah, 498,315 is what I got.
3 decimal places. No, I got
315.
Yeah.
And which formula did you use for that one?
I use this yellow. I'll highlight it so you can copy it. Sorry, my computer's getting ready to die now, and I need to hurry and charge it. Okay, so it's this one. Can you see my screen again?
Yeah, I can. Okay.
Okay, that's the one I use.
Oh, okay. I see. Got it. Okay, so can someone clarify to me, how do you know if you're supposed to use the plus or the minus?
So the plus or the minus is based off of what limit we're trying to reach. And so if we're trying to find the lower limit, we want to find at the least what we're estimating within 95% surety that it'll be. And so we want to take our true mean, or our true, what do they call it? Yeah, so our true score or true mean or whatever it is, and we subtract our margin of error. So that gives us the lower limit of what we think it would be because we subtracted it out of our mean. And then if we want to find the upper limit, we add it to the mean to give us the larger number. Does that make sense at all? Or?
Yeah. Okay, no, it does.
That's the very next question. So I'm just going to change my minus to a plus and get 553.685.
Yes, that's
That
correct.
is what I have.
Yes, me too.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay, and so question 9, I can do that one. But just so what would happen to the width of the confidence interval, so what we just calculated, if Gina increased the sample size? And so I put it would decrease because the larger the sample size, the smaller the margin of error.
I agree.
Yes.
Okay, so decrease for that one. What would happen, question 10, what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to a 99% confidence interval?
Increase.
Yeah, it would increase, right?
Mm-hmm. Because if we want to be more confident, we're going to increase our margin of error, so that way we can have that confidence level.
Okay.
Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. What would you do, or what sample size do they need? This, I can't remember the formula, so, I mean, does somebody have it right off the top of their head? Let's see. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Right here. I got it. So, equals, sorry, it's going to take me a minute. So Z, what was 99? Z for 99, does anybody remember?
I think it's 2.576.
I got 246.
Oh.
Yeah, so for 95, it's a 1.
Oh, did you
Uh,
say 99? I thought you said 99. My
Oh,
bad.
I thought it was. Yeah, it was 95. Sorry.
yeah, so it's a 1.96 still.
Yeah, it's 1.960.
0.9. So we have. I'm doing this wrong. I'm just doing this wrong. Sorry. Times. Oh. 400. So is this what we square root? Is that the 50 hours?
Um,
Am I even doing this right?
well, I don't think you square root it. You just square
Yeah, you
Oh,
square
you
it.
everything.
square it, huh?
Yeah.
Is it even? Sorry. Where did it go?
I got 246.
Yep.
246. I'm going to take it. Sorry, I'm just taking too long. I don't have these set up yet.
You're fine.
246 even?
Well, it's
Yeah,
wants us to round up.
round it up. So you round it to the nearest.
It's
Okay.
like 245.86, and so you round it up.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it my turn? Or
Yes.
oh, okay,
Sure.
sorry.
I don't know.
Like, I don't know either. Okay. The mean salary of actuaries is equal to 100,000, and the standard deviation is 36,730. You're interested to know if the mean salary for women actuaries is different than the population mean, but are not sure if it is higher or lower. You set up a hypothesis test with the level of significance equal to 0.05. And then have some data. You collect a simple random sample of n equals 36 women's salaries and find that x bar equals 111,000. What is the lower limit of 95% confidence interval? Round to the nearest whole number. So that's a lot of data and info they just threw at us.
Yeah, so.
So is it just like the same formula that we used earlier?
Uh-huh. And then you're going to, is it asking for the upper or the lower?
No, lower.
Lower.
Then you're going to minus. You're going to use the minus sign. And what was?
This is the x bar minus z times sigma divided by square root of n, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I got $99,001.53.
I would agree with that.
Sorry, I'm still working through it. One sec.
Oh, you're all right. Oh, and it says rounded a whole number, so it needs to be rounded. So it would be $99,002, right?
Yeah.
What is your final answer for question number 12?
I got $99,002. 99002.
Yes, me too.
Say it again. 99,000 what?
$2. 99002.
Okay. Must have done something wrong with my calculations, but I trust you guys. Oh, okay. I know what to do. Just kidding. Okay.
When they make them so wordy, it's so hard to like pull out the information that you need.
Mm-hmm.
I hate it. I have that problem all the time.
Yep. Sadly, that's statistics.
Just give me the meat and potatoes. Don't give me all the other stuff. Just give me what I need. I can do 14 if you guys are ready.
I think so. 13 would just be the upper.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry, I totally skipped it because I had it done. So I just, I'm sorry. Oh, such an airhead today. So
Question number
for 13, yes, I just added the plus sign and I got 122,998. Oh.
How much?
122,998. Did anybody else get that?
That is what I got as well.
Yes, 122, 999, no?
998.
Yeah, so it'd be 998 because it's 0.46, and so that'd be.
Yes, 998. That's correct. Yes.
Okay. Sorry, you guys. Okay. So there are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for a mean. They are: a simple random sample was drawn from the population, sigma is known, sigma is known, X bar is normally distributed. Isn't it all of them?
I
All
believe.
of above.
I believe so. Yes.
Yeah.
All of the above.
Okay, good. That's what I was thinking.
Let's go to submit.
Yep, I think that's it.
Yep.
So.
Okay, yep. I'm gonna save all my responses and go to submit.
Yes, 100%.
Yay!
Awesome.
You guys are rock stars.
Congratulations.
Thanks for coming up with me today.
Perfect, guys. Good work.
Yeah, I will
Yes,
turn the video.
Awesome. Well, I will
Excellent.
see you guys on Thursday.
Okay, we'll see you on Thursday. Good night.
Yeah.
All right, night. Bye.
Okay, good evening.
Thanks, Danny. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you very much.